Okay, so I wanted to give you guys just a quick Google Classroom 101 kind of type thing on your phone. You should be able to just use your phone for everything this week, and in the coming weeks, you should be able to just use your phone for things that we're going to be doing. So if you have a smartphone and you've downloaded the Google Classroom app, when you download the app, you're going to have to log in using your school email address and your school password. And then it should bring up all of your different classes for all of your different places. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into your class, specifically your class. And then this first page is like your news feed. This is everything that's happening, all the assignments I've been posting. People, if you have a question that you think the whole class would benefit from knowing, you can click right here and click share with class. And then we can answer. That's what I did here. You can see that I say Zoom schedule has been changed. See the picture for updated time. So you can click on the attachment and it shows the updated picture. And down here is where you're really going to do most of your clicking. Under classwork is really where it's going to be important. These first three links are always going to be up here. These are to Flipgrid instructions. I've done a small video on how you do Flipgrids, and then Study Island link, which we haven't really done too much just yet. Each week's going to be broken up into different, each of the Google Classroom assignments are going to be broken up into all the weeks. This one right here that takes over the bulk of my screen right here is week 2. If you were to click on that, it says week 2. Down here it says week 1. So everything that's in gray over here is material. If you'll see, it has a square and it has a little tag. That means material. There's no assignment there. The assignment ones are the ones in the that have the little clipboard with the looks like the lines across. Those are assignments. Those are things that you have to turn something in for. So for example, if you're gonna submit your first assignment, which is remembering the rules assignment, you click on it. Okay, and then it goes right down here where you're going to attach a work. So where it says your work, you're going to slide up on this little arrow and you're going to click add attachment. This is where you're going to have to choose. Most of you guys are just going to put use camera. So you can use your camera. You can take a picture and then click use photo. And it's going to take a second to attach. Now, it's very important that after you attach it, you click mark as done. So let me... Okay, so see up here, you can see that it was attached right up here. You can see the assignment. If you want to add another attachment, you can click add another attachment, and you can add another picture if you need to do your worksheets in separate pictures. That way they're closer. If you are taking a picture of your worksheet far away, I'm not going to be able to tell what your answers are. So once you've added all of the attachments, if you want to add a comment, you could add a comment to me right there if you'd like, or whatever. If you don't want to, that's fine. And then you click turn in. You must click turn in order for it to be submitted. Okay, and it's going to say your assignment's been turned in. So then you would slide back down, okay, and go back out of it. Now I do the same thing for all of your other assignments. You take a picture of your worksheet for all of your other assignments. Now, the cool thing is this little button right up here that has a little person on it is your work. So this is just your specific assignments. You can see that you have all of your, 5 assignments here. You can see ones that have been turned in, you can see ones that have been graded, and you can see ones that have been assigned. If you click on the ones that have been turned in, you can see your submission. If you click on the ones that have the little comment box, not that one, like this one here, and you scroll up to see your private comment, like you can see a comment right here. If I ask you to resubmit, then you would have to add a new attachment and hit resubmit. If it hasn't been turned in yet, it's just going to say assigned. So if you say, Miss Lemoyne, I know I've turned it in and it still says assigned over here, you have to go back and press the button that says turn in. Then if you go back out to your screen here, again, you can go to classwork. You can go back out to your classes here, and you can see, if you go back out to classes, you can see all your classes again. Now, another thing is that we want to make sure you're getting notifications. So whenever you have this app downloaded, the first thing it's going to ask is, do you want notifications for this? And of course, you want to have notifications because you want to know when I comment, when I grade something, and those kind of things. So if you didn't turn on the notifications, you need to go to your settings and go to notifications and find Classroom. It's not under Google Classroom, it's just under Classroom. Make sure that you turn on notifications right there where it says allow notifications. You have to turn that on. If you don't have your notifications on, then you're not going to get the information quickly from me. I hope this helps. If there's anything else that I can help with, please let me know.